Good afternoon, everyone. My name is Glenn Alexander Fortesimo, and today we're going to learn about marginal cost. Okay, so for the explanation, marginal cost is an increase of total cost that is caused by addition of one unit output. Okay, so for the formula is MC equals delta TC divided by delta Q. Okay, so what is TC? TC means total cost and Q means quantity. Okay, so now we're going to the example. Okay, here's the case. Brad wants to increase the production capacity of his brick business from 10,000 to 12,000. The total cost incurred increased from 15 million rupiah to 25 million rupiah. What is the marginal cost of producing 12,000 bricks? Okay, so first, here we have Q1 and Q2. Now you have to find the delta Q first. Delta Q. To get the delta Q, we have to subtract Q2 with the first Q. Okay. As you can see, the Q2 is 12,000, and then we subtract it with 10,000. Okay. So here we got 2,000. That's for the delta Q, or delta quantity. And then we go to the total cost delta. How to get this? We get this by subtracting the second total cost, which is this one. We subtract it with the first one, the first total cost. Okay, so the second total cost is 25 million. And then we subtract it with 15 million. Okay, 25 million subtracted by 15 million, so the result will be 10 million. Okay, and then after we got the delta quantity and the total cost delta, we went again to the formula, which is marginal cost equals delta total cost divided by delta quantity. Okay, so the delta total cost is 10 million. And then we divide it with the delta quantity, which is 2,000. Okay, so 10,000 divided by 2. Okay, we got 5,000. Okay, so the marginal cost will be 5,000. Back to the question, what is the marginal cost of producing 12,000 bricks? Okay, so to produce 12,000 bricks, the marginal cost will be 5,000. Okay, so here's the explanation about marginal cost. Thank you for listening.
Okay, hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Fikri Firmansyah, and today's we gonna talk about metrics for my final assessment. Okay, so any of you don't know what metric actually is? So basically metrics is an array of numbers Firman, what is the benefit of using matrix, you may ask? So, the benefit using matrix in the real world, usually for calculating the gross domestic product. So, what is a gross domestic product? If you don't know, so a gross domestic product is basically like a product that is produced in a country in a certain time or certain years. So we calculated it using matrix. Okay. So matrix is divided into 6 that I know. Matrix has 6 types. So the first type of matrix is matrix 0. And the 0 type. So what is the 0 type? All the elements or all the columns and row are 0. There is no specific value of it. Okay, so 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. So I'm gonna tell you again. So basically element is this. So this is metric, right? Element is the value in it. See, I square. I'm doing a square for the 0 in it. So for the matrix 0, there is only element 0, and then the second one is row metric. The row. Okay. So, like its name, it only consists of a row. So there is no column to it. So basically like this. Okay, like this. 1, 2, 2. Okay. So this is what you call a row. This is row. Okay? Clear? Okay. Moving on to the next one. The next one is column. This is the opposite of row. Basically, a row is just parallel, straight line, right? Horizontal. Oh, vertical. sorry. It's vertical, right? Vertical. In the column is horizontal. So basically like this 3, 1, 2. Okay. So this is what you call column. Column. Okay. It's straight vertical. Straight vertical. This is what you call column. Moving on to the fourth one. Can you see it, or I just do this? Okay, I just do this, okay? The fourth one is, we're gonna talk about the square one. Square. Sorry if I blocking your view. I'm very big person, you know. Square. So basically, it's like the number of row is the same with column. Okay, I'm sorry for my bad writing. I'm doing my best. So the number of row is the same with the column. So like this. Imagine a square, right? So basically matrix is square, right? See? Okay. So we have element inside it, like this 0, 0, 0, and this 1, 2, 2, 2, etc. Okay. So the row and the column are equal, having the same element. For example, if the column is having two elements, so the row is having two elements. Okay, so like that. For example, moving to the fifth one, we have diagonal. So, diagonal. All elements in this type of matrix, the element is 0 except for the diagonal one. Okay, so for example, right? 3, 2, 4, 2, okay, 0, 0, 4, and then we do 9, 16. Okay. As you can see, pretty much in the each row or column there is 0 element in it. So let's see this pattern, okay? See, this pattern shows a diagonal line that consists of element of number. In the sixth one, in the final one, upper triangular. Okay, I'm gonna do this triangular. So basically like all the element make like this type of triangle. How can I put it in a word? Like all element about the main is 0. I'm very bad at word, but for example, I'm gonna show the example, okay? So for example, so in the row, in the first row we go 2, and then we go 0, 0, and then we do 4, 4, and then we do 15, and we do 7, and then 2, 1, and then this is 0. See, it's like a triangular that diagonally. See, okay, it's like a triangle. Actually, there is more type than this, but I think it's better to just show it like this. So in this section we already talked about the type of matrix. In total it's actually 10, but I think in my personal thought I think 6 is enough, because we are shortened the time for, we have limited time actually. So we're gonna do a task. So for example, right? So this is a row, right? This is a row. So we do 2 rows. Okay, the easy one first. 2, 6. Now, this section, okay, this section is what we call column. Okay, so we do 5, 6. In the under the other we do 7, 9. Okay, so the row have 2 row, right? 2 row section, and the column is have 1, 2, and 3. Right? 3. So we sorry guys, I forgot to put that element. So this is we call element. Okay. Besides the element inside, there is an element outside. Okay. So we do this element A, 2, 3. What we got is we do 2 over here, right? This row number 2, and we do 3, right? 3. We got 9. Let's do another one, okay? Element A, 1, 2. We got what? We got 5. See? 1, 2. This and this. Okay? Set. We gonna type up a notch. I'm gonna do another test. This is more challenging actually. 2, 5, 6, 7, 5, 6, 9, 11, 12, 13, 14. Okay, so this is having a 4 row. Pardon me, is having a 3 row. This is 4 column. And this is the element of E. This is element of E. Okay, let's do this element E. 2, 4. Okay. Actually, we can do comma in the middle one or not. So this is the final task for you guys. So we do row 2, 5, and then we got 9. Okay, so that's it. Thank you for listening. If there are any words that I can not tell you, or any bad words, or any material that I miss, I'm very sorry. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.